Hello students, today we are going to learn about conversion of hexadecimal to binary and conversion of hexadecimal to decimal. Okay, let us see some examples. Now you can see, first we have to see hexadecimal to binary conversion. In this system we have to convert 2CF hexadecimal to binary. Okay, as we know that hexadecimal number system has base 16 while binary number system has base 2. Now let us remember that hexadecimal number system contains alphabet as well as number. Now this is given example 2CF. If the numbers are like this, then write the numbers separately. Then write their equivalent binary digits. For example, according to 8421. Now what is this 8421? See, 2 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 2 raised to 1 is equal to 2. 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4. 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. So in this way, we can write, if we have to write number 2, then only write number 1 below digit 2 and remaining digits represented with number 0. So we'll get this 2. In the similar way, what about C? Now we have to know that what about C? C is nothing but, as we know that A is equal to 10, B is equal to 11, so C is equal to 12. How will you represent 12 in this binary number? So if you are 8 plus 4 12, and there is no need to write one digit below this 2 and 1, so write only 0. So we'll get 1100 for C. If we add this all digit, 8421, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15, and we know that F is nothing but 15. So F is equal to 15. So we have to write below each digit 1111. So this is equivalent binary of hex number 1111. So we'll get the final answer. We will get the final answer for 2CF hexadecimal is equal to 001011001111. In this way, this is a binary. Okay, only writing these all digit collectively, this represent equivalent binary of given 2CF hexadecimal. Is that clear, students? Now let us see this next example. As the above example is for integer number, now we have to see this example for fractional hexadecimal. This is so simple. Write all the digit in given example separately, and in the similar way you have to write their equivalent binary number. See, the given example is convert 0.683 hexadecimal into its binary. So solution is 0.68. Now students, as this is given example, write this digit separately. 0.683. Okay. Now write their equivalent binary numbers in this way. According to this 8421 binary weighted digits as explained in the previous example. See, if we have to represent this 6 in a binary, according to this 8421 code, 6 hexadecimal is equal to addition of this two digit 4 and 2. Okay, so 4 plus 2 will get 6. So write 0 below 8 number, then below 4 write 1, below 2 write 1, and below 1 write 0. Why only 1 and 0? Because we have to represent this hexadecimal into binary, and binary number system consists of only 0 and 1 digit. Is that clear? Now again we have to represent alphabet A hexadecimal into binary. So A is nothing but 10. Okay, so how to write 10? Addition of 8 and 2 will get 8 plus 2 10, and there is no need to write 1 below 4 and 1 digit. Okay, now this is 8, write 1 below 8 digit and write 1 below 2 digit, and remaining numbers represented by 0. So we'll get 1 0 1 0 for alphabet A. Now this 3. Now we have to represent this 3 hexadecimal into binary. So by adding this 2 digit 1, 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So write only 1 below 2 and 1 digit only. So we'll get the answer for 3 hexadecimal in binary 0 0 1 1. So by writing all these binary equivalent below each hexadecimal digit, we'll get the total number like this. 0.683 hexadecimal is equal to 0.011010100011 binary. Is that clear? Okay. Now student, if we have to convert A23 hexadecimal into decimal, then solution is like this. Write the given digit separately. Suppose the given example is A23 hexadecimal and we have to convert this into decimal. Then by writing each digit separately, write hexadecimal weightage below each digit. Starting from 16 raised to 0 from right, then we have to exit to the left. Okay, 16 raised to 0 for LSB, 16 raised to 1 for second LSB, 16 raised to 2 for MSB. Now by writing their equivalent hex weightage, multiply each digit their respected weightage. Okay, see here, as letter A represent 10, I have written here 10, and we know that 16 raised to 2 is equal to 256. As 16 raised to 2 is equal to 256, then 10 multiply by 256. For second digit, multiply this 2 to 16 raised to 1, and 16 raised to 1 is nothing but 16. So 16 multiply by 2 will get 16 2s are 32. Then at last digit, 16 raised to 0 multiply by 3, and we know that 16 raised to 0 is equal to 1. By multiplying this 16 raised to 0 is equal to 1, then 3 multiply by 1 will get 3. Okay. Now by multiplying 256 to 10, we'll get 2560 plus 32 and this 3. By adding all these digits, we'll get 2595. So final answer will be A23 hexadecimal is equal to 2595 decimal. Is that clear? Now if we have to convert 7C.2F hex number into decimal, then we have to solve in this way. By writing separate integers digits and by writing fractional digits separately. See here, 7C.2F. Here we know that C is equal to 12 while F is equal to 15 in hex number system. So by writing these numbers, write hex weightage below each digit 16 raised to 0 for LSB, 16 raised to 1 for MSB. Then next, for fractional MSB, 16 raised to 1 for this 2, 16 raised to minus 2 for F, that is 15. By multiplying these all hex weightage to their respected given hex digit, like 7 multiplied by 16 raised to 1, then C multiplied by 16 raised to 0, and C is nothing but 12. Okay. In the similar way, 2 multiplied by 16 raised to minus 1, and we know that 16 raised to minus 1 we can write here 1 upon 16, and this is nothing but 0. So 1 upon 16 is equal to 0.0625. And similarly, 16 raised to minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 16 raised to 2, that is equal to 1 upon 256. And this is equal to 0.00391. So multiplying this 1 upon 16's value and 1 upon 16 raised to 2 value is to their respected hex digits, that is 2 multiplied by 0.0625 plus 15 multiplied by 0.00391. So we'll get the product in this way for first MSB in integer, that is 7 multiplied by 16 is equal to 112 plus 12.0.125 plus this product F, that is 15 multiplied by 0.00391 is equal to 0.05865. Okay. Now by adding all these terms, we'll get 112 plus 12 is equal to 124 point. This 0.0125 plus 0.05865 is equal to 0.1836. And finally we'll get the equivalent decimal of given hexadecimal, and we can write the answer in this way: 7C.2F hexadecimal is equal to 124.1836 decimal. Okay. In this way, today we have learned about how to convert the given binary number, given hexadecimal number into binary, and given hexadecimal number into its equivalent decimal. Okay student, you have to do practice for more example at home. Okay, thank you.